Alright, this is Dan with feldwebel Fritz Military again. We're going to disassemble and reassemble the k98 bolt today. I also sell Mauser parts at feldwebelfritzmilitaria.com and at eBay and Gunbroker as Fireball with 3 X's at the end. So here we have a Russian captured k98. It's actually a pretty nice one. Here's your bolt. We're going to charge the weapon. Put the safety to the top. Okay. Remove the bolt. Set the rifle aside. There's a detent pin right here. Just unscrew that all the way, keeping the safety at the top. Be careful. Okay, here's your bolt assembly apart. This is your bolt assembly. Now, this is where it gets tricky. Okay, we'll set that aside and move this stock back over here. By the way, this is one of my slings on there. As you can see, it's a nice color, nice fit. Okay, here's your stock takedown disc in the original k98 stock. What you want to do, holding your finger on this, when you turn, you push down on that and turn this 1/4 of a turn. This is where you can pinch your hand, and you'll usually pinch it right here. Turn that 1/4, remove it, and with pressure, because this thing will fly off, you pull that off slowly. Okay. There's your disassembled bolt. Right there. Okay? So, to assemble it, you just reverse the process. Take your bolt, stick it in your takedown disc, put on the spring. This is cut out so it only fits one way on the bolt. And you got to push it down hard. Keep your safety in the top position. Push it down hard and it will pinch you. Okay. There you go. 1/4 turn. Back slowly. And it is back reassembled. Your bolt body, you just screw this back in all the way. Okay? See how there's a cut off there? It's cut down. If you don't screw it in all the way, your safety will not work properly when you're done. Your bolt's back in your weapon. There's safe. There's fire. There's a dry fire. Let's try it again. Safe. Or fire. Intermediate. Safe. That's how you know this is all the way on. It won't go any farther, and your safety works properly. Okie doke. That's it for today. Thank you.